Stock ticker symbol VDRM currently at 0475. Over on the 20th when we took a look at this stock, we seen that right here. I said watch chart setting up in my opinion. Resistance at 0280, 0294, 0326, 0371. Support at 0250, 0225. Needs to break 0371 to turn bullish. Well, you guys blew right past that the following day. Look at that beautiful move yesterday. Obviously, the day after we took a look at it and plowed right up here. There is a gap down here that we see down here at the bottom. I really, like I said, when we were looking at this stuff, you guys actually see it way over here as well. Right when it takes off, there's sometimes a gap down there. It never fills. But what ends up happening here is that once you're up at the top, the volume starts dissipating off and whatever. Right here's the close and that's open. Now you guys are going to have that pullback. And if you look over here in the charts, you really don't see it too often down here at the bottom. It's only when you start getting up higher, you start seeing those gaps fill. Now, as we've talked about many times, those gaps get kind of tricky, especially if you're new to try to understand them. I mean, sometimes they don't do exactly what I thought they would do every time, but there is a rhythm here. Again, right here over on the first, you guys gapped up, pulled back down, and just lost that momentum. Right here, you guys have a gap. I personally don't think this gap might not fill down here. But yesterday, after that big move on yesterday, you guys gapped up today. And now you're seeing it turn red again. Just like you've seen it back here. So what we're going to do here is wait and watch for a close. I would say right there, 0046. Like I said, now that gap is completely filled with a full body candle. Okay, so my personal opinion here, I would just let it cool down here for a few days, possibly tomorrow to rebound off that 0046. If you guys get a close below 0046, in my personal opinion, there is a good chance that this thing is going to trend back down to the 20-day simple moving average, and it could bounce off of that. So, like I said, that's my personal opinion on this one. As far as the chart goes, I called it over here on the 20th. It seems to be pretty correct off of that. So we'll see how this one plays out moving forward.
All right, so with this one, there's no recent updates since the last time we went over it. So their last press release was on March 20th, and that was ViaDerma receives provisional patent numbers for its FDA-registered Vibalicin and cannabis technologies and seeks to distribute its products with a management, marketing, and distribution company in Canada to approved international cannabis countries. So that was pretty much that press release that we went over on the what day was that, the 20th. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So if you have an opinion or you're looking for an opinion, just go right over to that VDRM board on Investors Hangout and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. If you're looking to do some more due diligence or read this press release from March 20th that we went over 2 days ago, just go right over to, it's right on that board. You'll see it under recent news. You'll see it for March 20th, 2017. If you're looking to go through their filings, which I always advise any person doing whenever you're going to invest in a company, do some due diligence. It's all right there at your fingertips. So pretty much that.
All right. I'm just finishing up what I'm seeing here. Moving across. It's going to be up there. So we're just going to put the supports in here. All right. Hopefully that's going to give you guys a little bit of insight on this one. All right, so looking at the chart again, 0470, if it closes below 0446, could move down to 0368. Wait for the bounce. Resistance at 0550, support at 0446 and 0368. So like I said, keep an eye on that one. We'll see how this one plays out moving forward. There's a very good chance that it could close right where it's at right now and drop down. It really depends. I mean, it really, really depends on how this volume plays out. So we'll definitely keep an eye on this one. Like I said, moving off of that 20th. Really nice. Everything set up. You guys took advantage. I mean, you guys were down here. That was what? 0279 open, 0280, and hit a high. It went up 2 cents. I mean, it's what, 80%? Big move off of that right there. I mean, of course, I don't know what else to tell you. We told you that the chart was setting up. So keep an eye on this one.
Vibalicin, man. If that thing right there, if that thing is what it what they say it is. That will be worth some money someday. You know what I'm saying? For the foot problem there. What is it? 507. It has been more. It states that it's been more than 96% effective in healing diabetic foot ulcers within 4 weeks. So, I mean, if you go back on more of the press releases, they have give you a better understanding of what that kind of cream and everything else goes for, and what they're intending on. You know, that market itself for it up there. So,
Right. All right, guys. So, hey, if you're following this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Stay updated with this stock and all the other hot stocks that we take a look at. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, you can do so over at investorshangout.com/live.